Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and we are watching Python for Beginner series. This is chapter 3, Python syntax. If you have missed any of the previous videos, requesting you to visit the links mentioned in the description box. So let's start today for Python syntax. So what is Python syntax? For every programming language there will be some set of rules defined how to write a program or how to interpret it. Similar to that, Python has also set of some rules define around Python identifiers, then Python lines and indentation about the code, then multi-line statements, quotations in Python. So let's start with identifier. So identifier is nothing but a name given to any variable, function, class, module, or any other object in a program. So in Python also there is some rules defined around that. So what are those rules are? So we can start it with any of the letter, maybe capital or small letter. Then it can start with underscore as well, and then followed by zero or more letters, underscore and digits. So that means we can have a single character variable or we can have multi-character variable, and then like it can start with underscore. And next rule is we cannot use punctuation mark like ampersand, dollar or percent sign. Python is a case sensitive programming language. That means capital letter variable and small letter variable will be considered as a distinct. It is like a case sensitivity. Then there are some reserved words which we cannot use in a Python. So let's see with some examples. Let me open idle this editor which I'm going to use it today. So let's define some variable num as a small letter variable assigned with value 2, and then second variable with capital letter assigned with value 5, and let's see what it prints for small letter variable num. It results value 2, and then same for capital letter num, and the result is 5. So you can see that it is case sensitive, so both the variables considered as a different. Then it says we can start with letter or underscore. Let's check it about underscore num assigned with value 10. So it takes that. What if we start with any like a number? Let's start with 850 ABC equal to 5. It's a syntax error. Decimal letters are invalid. We cannot use that. Then let's try with the punctuation mark. Let's say num and then dollar sign ABC and assign with value 20. Again, same syntax error. We cannot use that. And then last about special characters or special words, reserved words. If I use and equal to 20 again it gives invalid syntax. So hope guys you are clear with the rules for identifier. Let's move on to the next rule about lines and indentation. So this is like a while writing a code, these are rules applied. So in Python we don't have a braces to define a code block, but code block will be defined by indentation. And the number of spaces in the indentation is a variable. Any number of spaces we can use it, but only thing all the statement within the block must be intended with the same amount. So spaces, number of spaces must be the same. That we will see it in a minute. So again, just go back to editor. This time we will write code into the file. So let's save this file into the machine. Desktop. Python tutorial chapter 3 Python indentation. Save it. Just replacing existing one. And now let's see some example. So if I write true, then print true, else print false. Okay, so in this code, guys, you have seen that here I have used some spaces. I will show you what happens if I don't use the spaces. Okay, I'm just saving the file and let's execute that. So it's giving the error, expected and intended block after if statement. So we need to use spaces. So that spaces can be tab or any number of spaces as per the rule. So here I just use as a, so general method is using the 4 letters as 4 spaces. So we can do 3 4 and same for else statement 1 2 3 4. Let's execute that again, and now it's resulting on the result, gives the result as a true. Okay, and same for like a code block. Let's say we can have multiple lines here and answer. So if I save it and execute now, it gives result as a answer true. But in this case, if I just add one extra space, it will give error. Let's see, unexpected intent. So for a code block, it should be same number of spaces. So hope guys you are clear with the indentation. Let's move on to the next topic, multi-line statement. So generally multi-line statement will be required for complex expressions. Let's see with the examples again. Go back to the file. Now let me delete the previous code. Now here I will define the variable num1 equal to 5, then num2 equal to 10, and then num3 equal to 20, and then result equal to num1 plus, here I will use a continuation character. That is what it is mentioned in the rule. Python allows to use the line continuation character to denote that the line should continue. So here I'm just using backspace num1 num2 plus, again continuation character, yeah, sorry, it should be plus, and then num3, and just print result. So let's save the file and run it again. So here you can see 35 as a result of addition of 3 numbers, like a 20 10 and 5, it is 35. And next rule is like, if so we don't require a continuation character for square brackets or curly brackets or parentheses. Let's see that again with some example. So now I'm defining some array over here, say days equal to defining as a Monday, Tuesday. Here I'm writing intentionally on multiple lines. You can see that if I print that days over here, let's save the file and execute. Again you can see it is printed as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So for square bracket we don't need a continuation mark. So next rule is about the quotations in Python. So quotation generally used for defining string literals. So in Python we can use single quote, double quote or triple quote. But just rule is that whatever quote we will use it, we should end with the same quote. Let's check it with some example again. Here let's have an example as a paragraph or statement. Let's say here this is my statement, and print it, save the file and then run it. It prints this is my statement. So let's say here you can see over here clearly this is my statement. Now if I end with a single quote and save the file and try to run it again, it gives error. Undeterminate string literals. So we should start and end with the same. We can start with single quote also and end with the single quote, and let's save the file and execute. Again, it gives same result. Now triple quote example, let's say define a paragraph. This is my paragraph, and sorry, it should be like a triple quote. And next line made up of multiple lines, and it should end with triple quotes. Okay, and let's print that. Save it and execute again. The module here it is giving the result. This is my paragraph made up of multiple lines. So you can see that we can use a triple quote for multiple line string literals. So hope guys it's clear for you and this video is helpful. Then I would request you to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.